Raja, Department of IAC, SJBIT. Today I'll be explaining Web Technology Lab and its application.
Good morning all. Good morning all. Now in the next program, that is your fourth program in your web programming language, the most easiest program of your web technology lab. What is the task of the program? Let's check with the task of the program. Then we'll go. We'll be studying the detailed lab code of that particular program. Okay. What is the task of the program? Okay. What is the task of that? Develop and demonstrate an HTML file that includes JavaScript that uses the functions of following problems. So he has given some problems, you have to just solve it. That's it. This is an string concept where you have already done in all the subject, that whatever you have studied since from first semester. The same function and the same task has to be done for this. First one is parameters, output, the position of the parameter, that is the string of leftmost vowels you have to find, and the number you have to pass. First, for the first task you have to pass a string and you have to get an output called leftmost vowel, and the second one is number you have to pass, and you have to just reverse the number, reverse a digit in reverse order. That's it. Getting? This is an task of the program. Let's check the code of this program. Check the code. Script type is equal to text or JavaScript. It's where str is equal to prompt. I'm just giving my prompt. What is this prompt? Is nothing but, what is this prompt means? Here I'll just write there. This prompt, program 4, this prompt directly deals with your output screen itself. I'm just prompting my input directly on the output screen. Okay, I'm just directly impacting my input on the output screen. That is, so we are directly calling my prompt to take the value. I'm not just calling input tags, output tags, or some submit button. Nothing I've done. Just I'm calling and prompt, enter the input. Yes, if input is NaN, not is it is, and if it is not equal to string, perform if the value given by the user is string. Perform the oval operation. If the value given by the user is number, find the reverse of the numbers, right? 1, 2, 3. If I give, for example, if I give 1, 2, 3, the value is 3, 2, 1. I press AEIOU or something like Raju. If I press Raju, RAJU, AEIOU, that is your two value. What is the leftmost? Leftmost. You have to go with the leftmost. U is your leftmost, right? So U will be displayed. That is your simple code. What you will be using in your, that is your C programming. The same code we have done. Only one thing we have done: prompting the value. I am prompting my output on the screen. I'm just telling the screen to take input directly. Yes, I'm taking the input directly, and check whether it is a string or a number. If it is string, perform leftmost vowel. Find the leftmost vowel by using a simple code. If I give a number, perform. If I give a number, if I give a number on the prompt, perform a reverse of a number. This is your task of the program. Thank you all.